Tokchom Jelin. All those contestants, please get ready at the backstage. As soon as we end the voting, we will start the Manipuri category competition. Okay, so your voting starts now. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you also see the number of missed call each contestant is getting on the screen. Right at this moment, E8 Haubom Hayainu is leading with 39-41, 43. Just behind it is E6 Kaidim Gangmei, closely following with 45 at this point of time. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Voice of Ougri 2018 English category. We have 4 contestants vying for the title. The voting is still on. We just have 3 minutes to go. We have E8 Haubom Hayainu leading way above the other contestants as of now. In the meantime, we would like to request the contestants for the Manipuri category, Aruna Nomaitem, Kotaujam Sibajit, Brainy Yumlembom, Tokchom Jiland at the backstage. We have 1 minute and a half left. And as of now, E8 Haubom Hayainu is leading with 168 votes, followed by Kaidim Gangmei with 98 votes as of now. Just a minute to go. Minute am tangai se lagle. Just 10 seconds to go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The voting closed there. And the lead contestant is E8 Haubom Hayainu with 197 votes, followed by E6 Gaidim Gangmei with 119 votes. And the third and the fourth are very close to each other. E9 El Malem Ganba is in the third position with 76 votes, and E7 Adarsh Sharma is in the fourth position with 75 votes. So the people choice in English category is Haubom Hayainu. Yes, but we will have to wait for the judges' choice. In the meantime, please welcome Aruna Nomaitem, the first contestant in the Manipuri category.